Hello, I'm Ezekiel. I guess you could say a master tech here at LED Sign City. I'm going to show you exactly how we connect these two sections together. This sign fully complete together is going to be a 1x6. So what we have here is a 1x4 on my right side, and then on my left side we have a just 1x2. And the way that we are going to connect and lock these sections together are going to be these two locking ports right here. And you are going to use the given cabinet bolts that you're going to have with your sign when you receive it. And then you're going to need a size 13 wrench. Okay. And then we'll just put this right here. Or actually, okay. Now, you'll just put these two sections together. You're going to want to make sure that this top part section right here is kind of aligned very smoothly on both ends. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put these two bolts back here. Okay. Now that we have those two cabinet bolts in their place, now I'm just going to show you briefly what these ribbon cables, where they're going to go. So when you receive your sign, like I said, these two sections are going to be apart. But once you connect them with your cabinet bolts, this right here will be your terminal link cable, and this is going to be your ground. This is the live, and this will be your neutral right here. So white will be neutral, live will be black, and ground will be this greenish color. Now this terminal link cable will come through this right here, through your cabinets. You'll put this through, and you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that when you do this, you're going to want to have this cable more flushed. There you go. So you're going to put it under these ribbon cables right here, and then pass it through. And now this terminal link cable, the ground is right here, the live, which is the black, which will go here, and then your neutral in the middle. And you will connect these right here in their respective spots. And then these are your ribbon cables. Now when you take the tie strap off, this longer cable, or ribbon cable actually, will go to the furthest cabinet right here. Okay, and you'll just pass these through these holes, and you'll bring it down here, run it under here, bring it up, and then out through here, so you can connect it to your module. Now the second one will also pass through here, and we'll go to this cabinet for this specific module. So it'll go right there. And then this one, you'll just leave right here. It has two zip ties right here already. So when you receive it, this ribbon cable will go to this module. And then you will also have these power module cables on this power supply right here. Now the longest one right here will go to this cabinet right here, actually. Yes. And you'll just go ahead and pass this through here, and this will connect to this module for this cabinet. Now the third one will be this short one right here, and this is going to stay here. And this second one actually is going to come and go into this module right here, or cabinet, I'm sorry.